Thank you! Ano to?
Hindi ko alam.
Naku po. Hi, Dada. Thank you for everything. Sana happy ka dito sa gift ko. Alam ko, favorite scent mo to. Basta enjoy lang natin ang araw na ito. Mamaya mag-asawa na tayo. I love you, Taba. Love me. Thank you. Thank you, Mimi. Naiyak.
Wait lang. Wait lang, naiyak ka na ako. Hi, Mimi. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Yung isa sa birthday mo na lang, alam mo naman yun. Please wear this para maramdaman mo na kasama kita habang naglalakad papunta sa altar. I love you and see you later. Thank you for being so simple. Simple kasi lagi mong sinasabi na gusto mo lang ng simpleng buhay, not asking for anything grand. And I really admire you for that.
Ikaw ang naging inspirasyon ko para magsumikap ako. Ngayon pa lang, masabi ko na ang swerte ko kasi ikaw yung naging asawa ko. And today, in presence of our loved ones, and in front of our God, I will vow to love you even more.
We set out at the first light. We lit up with the sunrise. Gets my heartbeat running wild when you're here by my side. And we'll dream out loud. Take our chance, take it now. We will go from this day on. Take this world and make it ours. You and I, all life long. We'll take this world from this day on.
Renz, be always proud of Revy, your wife. Ikaw din, Revy, be always proud of Renz, your husband. Dapat #1 supporter ninyong bawat isa.
All these dreams we can run down. Feel it fall into place now.
Revy, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Renz na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Renz, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang pagpaparito upang makaisang dibdib si Revy na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. Through ups and downs, mananatili ako sa tabi mo. Aabutin natin lahat ng pangarap natin sa buhay na magkasama.
It's been 7 years and now, finally, we are married.
And we'll dream.
Ipapakita itong pagmamahal ninyo sa bawat isa as husband and wife sa bawat araw ng inyong buhay.
We will go.